Did you just run away all around the house? That's like, what, the 5th, 6th time? Go get Daddy.
She's gonna fall off the bed.
He doesn't know what to do. Go get Daddy.
Oh, he's teasing her, Papa. Did you just say that?
He's wasting his lunch.
Are you off the rest of the day?
Oh.
Use the PIG on her. Use the PIG on her. Do you hear me? Use the PIG on her. The PIGEAR.
Yeah. No, go see Daddy. Go. Go get Daddy.
She's standing at the back doors.
Is she really?
Here she comes.
Come. Come here.
No, no, no.
Come here.
Go get Daddy.
Come here. Come see.
Go get Daddy.
Come here, good girl. Come here, good girl.
Go get him.
Come here. Come here, good girl. Sadie, come. Come here, good girl.
He'll let you inside if you go get him.
Good girl. You want a goodie? Come here. You want a goodie?
No.
Come here.
Go get Daddy.
Come here. Push her off the porch. Just shove her off. Come here. Come here. Come here. Sadie, come. Sadie, come. Come see me. Come see me. Come here. Come see me. Come. Come see me.
Go get Daddy.
Come see me. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come see me. Come on.
Ew, get up. That's dirty.
Come here. Come see me. Let's just shake. Come shake. 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 Come on, shake. Shake, shake. Atta girl. Come here. Over here. Come here, shake. Come here. Shake.
Give Daddy a kiss.
Okay.
Give him a kiss.
He's ready to bolt. He's ready to bolt.
I'm moving.
Get in here, Cass.
No, I'm moving over here.
Stay.
Don't make her lay down. The ground's wet.
Your dad's ready to bolt.
Ah!
You're a bitch. I hate you.